Welcome to Cayapa, the salad bowl of Nueva Vizcaya, a land where every bite tells a story. Now, join me, the hearty foods of the panoramic Cayapa. Cayapa's cuisine is a reflection of its rich agricultural heritage. The fresh, locally sourced ingredients form the heart of every dish. From the vibrant greens grown in its fertile valleys to the succulent meats raised in its surrounding hills, bringing families and friends together to enjoy the fruits of their labor and the bounty of their land. The soulful warmth of pinik pican, a traditional chicken stew prepared with care and ritual. Its smoky depth and tender meat telling stories. Also, daging nitaang gabi, a comforting dish made with tender taro from leaf to root. And don't miss the vibrant freshness of local salads made with kamatis and crisp lettuce hand-picked straight from the gardens.
Kaladyo mangan. Tayo namtan ikuan siya ipinikpikan. Hajay ipinikpikan, tan hajay ipising. Tan hajay ng tabi na siya tayo kainin natin. Kaladyo mangan.
From the fertile rice terraces to the lush vegetable gardens, Cayapa's landscape provides the foundation for its exceptional cuisine. Breathe in the mountain air, wander through blooming gardens. In Cayapa, every sight, scent, and taste invites you to connect with nature and culture in the most unforgettable way. Come and experience the warmth, culture, and unforgettable flavors. Kayo, mangan kiho dia Cayapa. This is Chrislyn Ateo, your Sanyata ti Cayapa 2025.
The calm hymn of nature resonates through the fertile fields, green mountains, and people. I, for one, listen as the hymn narrates the colorful stories of wonder, the rich and thriving nature that the people wisely harness for resource security while pursuing sustainable actions in maintaining biodiversity. They say a way to a man's heart is through his stomach. For me, it's not solely about romance, because most of the time, it's a way to appreciate the stories garnishing every meal served on a family table. It tells a lot about the scorching heat of the sun, the water that runs deeply in the irrigation, and the farmer's undeterred dedication in working hand in hand with nature to reap a bountiful harvest that sustains the community's food security. And now, every bite of each food evokes flavorful narratives on my palate, just how warm and helpful they are. Just how food can carry a story with its rich taste and call for food security, the farmers have made sure that even in their fateful conditions today, such won't lace bitterness in every food they serve, still ensuring quality and adequacy. As an agriculture student, I have witnessed the struggles of the farmers. Allow me to take this opportunity to call for support and recognition of agriculture as a means of living. Therefore, the farmers, as agents of food security, should also receive better economic security because without them, there will be no food for all. Driven by a common goal towards attaining food security, with collective efforts from our municipal government and the people, we should aim at enhancing the quality of food, the primary necessity for survival. I am Kenderlyn Manzano Natura, uniting the Quezonians to achieve food security, not for the advantage of one, but for the whole community. At the heart of this call are the faces of the farmers, the people, and the nature.
Tucked between mountain ridges and forest trails, Santa Fe Nueva Vizcaya is a town where flavor lives in every corner, in its culture and its people, and on every plate. In Malico, mornings start with a bold aroma of freshly brewed mountain coffee and the sweetness of hand-picked strawberries, a harvest you can taste in every sip and every bite. Santa Fe is also a hub of mountain-made goodness. Jams from local fruits, warm boiled sweet potatoes, peanuts, sweet bananas, and freshly wrapped suman. A taste of community preserved in every pack. Deep in Imugan's forest grows the wild plum, dagway, sun-dried and steeped in tradition. At the heart of Poblacion, warmth comes in a bowl of arroz caldo with a twist. Infused with turmeric, it's a golden bowl of comfort, rich with spice and healing flavors. In Baliling, creativity meets heritage. A resort reimagines local ingredients with elegance. From mountain herbs to their dishes, a lot to offer. Not far away, a Japanese resto that helps the local communities of their produce brings a local taste to the mountains. Whether it's handcrafted sushi or soul-warming ramen, each bite is a journey. From forest foods to mountain meals, from local kitchens to fusion flavors, Santa Fe is more than a destination. It's a feast for the senses and a story on every plate. Come for the view, stay for the taste.
Ang paggalugad sa isang bayan sa pamamagitan ng masasarap na pagkain ay ang pinakadakila sa lahat. Halina't samahan niyo ako sa aming bayan. Ang bayan ng Salano ay kilala bilang sentro ng komersyo sa lalawigan ng Nueva Vizcaya. Pasalubong ba ang hanap nyo? Ihanda na ang bag dahil sagot na namin ito. Bilog, pahaba, tatsulok at mga singlaki ng bilao. Atin nang tikman ang bibingkang kanin, palitaw at iba't ibang uri ng kakanin na gawa dito sa aming bayan. Busog na ang tiyan, pati puso nyo tiyak na masisiyahan. Kakao polvoron, pastillas, tableya, sa bangaan nyo lang matatagpuan. Halika na bago ka pa maubusan dahil tunay nga naman siyang pinagkakaguluhan. Iba-iba man ang lasa pero sigurado ang timpla sa produkto nilang banana chips. San ka pa? Mare, pare, kape, sigurado akong ngayon na lang matitikman ang kapeng gawa sa mais. Hindi kayo maiinis dahil ito'y inyong mamimiss. Ipinagmamalaki din ng bayan ko ang kapeng barako. Nakaka-relax ito, promise! Bangus, tinapa at burong tilapia. Kay sarap ng lasa, siguradong hindi ka madidismaya. Mickey noodles, sagot yan ng aking kababayan. Masarap sa ginisa, masarap sa sabaw. Uy, alam kong di ka aayaw. Pampagana ba ang hanap mo? Chili oil lang yan, siguradong mapapasana oil ka sa sarap. Sa gabi na may, huwag kang magpapahuli. Iba't ibang uri ng street foods ang iyong matitikman sa tabi-tabi. Halina't sabay-sabay nating ikampay, baso na puno ng tamis ng bugnay. Kaya, tara na, damhin at tikman ang pagmamahal ng Solano sa bawat pagkain. Dahil bawat barangay ay may kwento at bawat pagkain ay may alaalang tiyak na iyong babaunin.
No adda arapaap mo, isurat mo ti papel, igalot mo ti lubaw, bayam nga agpangataw, mangag ti lubong, amin akid daw mo.
Nangarap at nanalo akong sanyata ti paghabag na alam kong dadalhin ko ang lahat ng bagay na kinakatawan nito. Pinagpala ng masaganang ani at mabighani sa aming natatanging lokal na timpla. Tuklasin ang mga nakatagong yamang kulinarya at damhin ang mayamang kultura na dahilan kung bakit espesyal ang aming mga pagkain. Dahil sa mayabong naming agricultural na lupain, dito matatagpuan ang pinagmamalaking buko. Ang prutas na ito ay hindi lang pamahid uhaw, kung hindi isang mahalagang sangkap sa sikat naming bukupay na nagpapakita ng malikhaing lutuing sumusuporta sa aming lokal na panlasa.
Ato'y bukupay miket na aramid nga nabuyugan iti ayat.
Binibigyan ng gantimpala ng aming bayan ang mga handang maglakbay ng malayo upang masilayan ang aming ginintuang kaharian. Bawat bunga ng pinya ay may taglay na yaman ng mga pagapagano. Lumilikha ito ng isang tanawing kahanga-hanga na kumakabighani sa ating pandama.
Inkay ramanan ti samit nga ipapaay iti daga nga inkam nagtaingan.
Higit pa sa ani, ang bukirin ay nagbibigay ng mas malalim na koneksyon sa kalikasan at kultura. Kaya't ito ay isang patutunguhang hindi dapat palampasin. Higit pa sa kalakalan, ito ay isang lugar kung saan nabubuo ang koneksyon at naibabahagi ang mga kwento. Punong-puno ito ng ingay ng tawaran at halimuyak ng mga lokal na pagkain. Higit pa sa lahat, ito ay isang lugar ng koneksyon kung saan ang bawat palitan ay nagpapakita ng init at diwa ng komunidad. Ang mga bagay na taos-puso naming ipinagmamalaki na patuloy nagpapayaman sa ating mga mamamayan na dahilan kung bakit nananatiling matatag ang ating bayan. Tun sumaruno nga arapaap ko, siguratuwek nga awit ko amin nga istorya, nga isut ng ngiyapan ti pamatig ken inspirasyon, toy ay ayaten min nga ili ti bagabag.